All right, everybody. So I'm working on this 1929 AMT Ford pickup truck here, the custom one. First off, from the last video, I want to say thank you to all the responses that I've got looking for a part. I got one coming in. Really appreciate it. I'll do an update video on that later. No idea how much I appreciate everybody's responses on that. Very grateful. This is an excellent community. I've seen it before. This is the first time I've ever had to ask for something like that. So I really do appreciate it. Yeah, so I'm working on the truck here. This is gonna be the color that it's gonna be. It's kind of an orangish there. It's back behind those parts too, the body. Question on the engine, if anybody's ever done this kit. So I'm doing the custom engine, obviously. So it's got for the stock engine here. It's got the header here, but for the custom engine, there is no headers on here. And these instructions are piss poor instructions here. This is just garbage instructions. I don't know who pieced together this. Should have been fired for this. But when you get to the rear suspension here and you got the exhaust through there, it's got these little what do you call those little extender pieces from the mufflers there. But then it just kind of go into the engine, which by the way on the instructions never did say to put the engine in. It's kind of great. But we're just supposed to believe that these just go right into that because there's really no spot to put them on there. Is that just another piss poor design from an old AMT, or is that really like that? That's really weird. So anyways, I'm working on it. It's coming along slowly here, so I got parts coming along here. Not a lot to look at, but they're coming along. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone for the responses on the last video. And yeah, I hope everyone has a good weekend. Enjoy your Labor Day weekend. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.